It's Drag Cars and More for episode 124.
There we go. Welcome. Episode 124 of the Ultra C Hobby Show.
Yes.
We're out and about, as obviously we're not in the shop.
No.
Well, I hope you can notice that by like the background over there. But we're out and about. We're playing drag cars today, like Chris said.
Yes, we are.
So he's Chris.
And this is Aaron.
Welcome. Episode 124. We won't keep it too long here. We'll just go right into some drag footage.
Yeah, have fun, enjoy.
So, this is some carnage. We have one car down, did a good chassis slap into the curb, and we need a steering knuckle, so one down. Car number 2 broken. So as you can see, we have a failure to launch. We have a drive shaft that is not connected anymore because, yeah, you broke an arm, and the hub carrier is actually good, so rear arm, and it'll be mint. First grudge match here between these two. So we have a DR10 with Chris on the left and Sean in the right lane with his Mustang. So let's see. Derek's gonna count him down. Maybe 2, 1, go. We got a drag Bandit for the win. Yeah, the DR10, she lost. Just wanted a test pass here, so let's see how this goes. That was much better. It's much better.
A little easier off the line.
So now we're gonna have best 2 out of 3. Gonna be best 2 out of 3.
I got no reverse.
Hey, you got no reverse first.
I made a race mode, guys.
Okay, let's see who takes this one. Good burnouts. Chris is hunkering his car down. Let's see what we got. Good launch by both of them. Oh no! Oh no! But he stuck it. It landed it.
Oh, no.
Stuck it.
Someone grab the tow truck.
Safety crew to the rescue. Go, Chris.
I'm gonna go check it, make sure I didn't break anything.
She's all cammed up. Let's go do the walk of shame and see what we got going on here. You know, he might have an old broken Mustang. Good thing there was no people in the crowd. Have a broken down car. Did a sweet flip, so hopefully we got that on camera. Do we have a broken Mustang? Is it broken?
Nope.
You serious? I mean, look at, oh, stop for a sec. Look at the front of the nose there. Like, she hit the concrete something fierce. Like, it's all scuffed in this general vicinity. I'll get out of the picture there. You can just see it. Oof.
The only thing that happened was the bumper mount popped.
Bumper mount. That is impressive. The old Traxxas, she held up pretty decent. So this is for all the cake, boys and girls.
Ready?
So Sean is ahead they're tied 1-1 after Sean's major crash. Oh, another crash. But we might have to go back to the footage to see who won that one. That was a good race. They want to do a redo. So Sean, according to the video footage, won, I would say by like a car length, like just. So let's see what we got. Well, Chris is just gonna do a test pass here. She took a hard landing. Okay, so we have the UDR, high axles, fresh pavement on 6S, and as you can see, it leaves rubber. So Chris was just warming the tires up. So let's see what kind of pass, maybe for another 4-wheel drive unlimited car,
Pretty unstable.
the old UDR does on 6S.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh man, it gets so unstable.
Dude, you left blackies on the road. You burned some rubber, dude. Question of the day is, can you wheelie a UDR?
Will it wheelie?
Will it wheelie? Oh heck yeah, it will. Aww. Aww.
Good start. Aaron's a good turtler.
Turtle.
Turtle.
I want to be a member of the Turtle Club.
Turtle Club.
Oh, that's mud in there. Oh,
Turtle.
dude, that's the problem is that's mud.
You ready?
Yep. Drag Rusty on 4S. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy, not gonna lie. We almost got lift off. Almost got lift off. It's almost the danger zone. Couple people that came to do some drag with us. So that's Sean. He has a purple Mustang. That's Dirk. We're not sure what he has yet.
It's a secret.
A secret. No, I know exactly what body he has, but I don't know what he's gonna run. That's Derek. He bought Chris's old Nova, so he has the first gen Nova 1.0.
Yeah.
That's Hicks. You obviously know who he is. He's got the Octane, but all four of these guys have Traxxas conversions.
Except for me.
And then there was Steve.
Except for the guy that has a bunch of Traxxas vehicles who bought the Team Associated.
The
But
DR10.
you know, I have never been happier.
Yeah, the DR10. So
Amazing
he
shot.
has the stock orange DR10 body, 4-wheel drive unlimited, and we also take the UDR out.
Yeah.
There we go.
And that's it.
That's the end.
Yeah.
Episode 124.
We raced, we smashed, we bashed, we crashed.
Yeah. Well, as you can tell from the carnage videos, there was some carnage. Stuff
Sean
got
and I had
wrecked.
a really good race there. That was good.
Yeah, so best 2 out of 3, and the winner was, who was the winner?
I don't know. I think Sean won overall.
I think he did.
Well,
He did, 2 out of 3.
yeah, you won the first one and the last one. Yeah.
I mean, the
It's
second-
the second one you messed up on. Yeah.
The second one, it was definitely,
Good race. Yeah.
definitely needed some slow-moage, so hopefully you enjoyed the videos. Thank you so much for watching, but before we say goodbye, don't forget to check out Chris, RC Deebs on all his social media platforms, so Instagram, Snapchat again.
Facebook and YouTube. Boys.
There we go. At least he knows what's going
Yeah.
on. But you can follow the store on Snapchat, Ultra RC Hobbies. I was good for so long.
Yeah.
There was like weeks.
Store is also on Facebook and YouTube because you're all watching it on one of those two.
And
Instagram.
don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies. We will have the DR10 kits posted on our website here pretty shortly.
I'm excited
So
about it.
before we say goodbye, hopefully these DR10s are actually posted up there right now. So go check the website out right now and get pre-order on your DR10.
Yes.
But that's it. That's all. Episode 124. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.